Jamaica, a small island nation in the Caribbean, is often recognized for its reggae music, breathtaking beaches, and rich cultural heritage. But beyond its vibrant tourism industry and world-class athletes, Jamaica holds a remarkable distinction, having the most churches per square mile in the Caribbean and possibly the world. With over 2,000 churches spread across its 4,244 square miles, Jamaica boasts an impressive density of places of worship. This deep-rooted religious presence is not accidental. It is a reflection of the island's complex history, cultural evolution, and the unwavering faith of its people. Christianity first took hold in Jamaica during the Spanish colonization in the early 1500s, but it was under British rule in the 17th and 18th centuries that the island saw an explosion of missionary activity. Enslaved Africans, despite being forcibly removed from their homelands, found solace in Christianity. Blending it with more than just worship. Churches in Jamaica are not just places of prayer. They are cornerstones of community life. They serve as schools and hubs for social activities. Throughout history, religious institutions have led movements against oppression, advocated for justice, and provided aid during times of crisis, such as hurricanes and economic downturns. The country's deep religiosity is also reflected in its culture. Gospel music is a major genre, church attendance is a significant part of life, and even political leaders often invoke divine guidance in national matters. Jamaica's distinction as the Caribbean nation with the most churches is more than a statistic. It is a testament to the island's enduring faith, resilience, and unity. Whether through grand cathedrals or humble chapels, the island's religious heritage continues to shape its identity, making it a truly unique place in the Caribbean diaspora. Attending church can be a formative experience, shaping our future in numerous ways. It often provides a strong moral compass, instilling values like compassion, integrity, and service that guide our decisions throughout life. The sense of community fostered within a church can offer invaluable support networks, creating lasting friendships and mentorships that bolster us during challenging times. Furthermore, exposure to diverse perspectives and spiritual teachings can broaden our understanding of the world, prompting introspection and personal growth. These experiences can translate into more meaningful relationships, ethical leadership, and a greater sense of purpose, ultimately influencing our career paths, social interactions, and overall well-being.